Hey everyone, let's talk about securing software. Minder is designed to enable continuous compliance for software teams while reducing time spent. It only takes 2 minutes to fix 5 supply chain risks across a GitHub organization. Here's how. First, install the Minder command line from your package manager. If you're using Windows, remember to open a new tab after installation is complete. Once the Minder command line is installed, you'll need to log in to the Minder service using your GitHub identity. Minder runs continuously as a server-side component, comparing the status of your GitHub repositories to the profile you configure in Minder. When Minder notices a difference, it runs a process called remediation to fix it. Once you've logged in, you'll need to grant permissions for Minder to manage your GitHub organization. Minder uses providers to represent services that manage your software supply chain. In this case, you're creating a GitHub provider for the selected organization using the provider enroll command. Once you've granted Minder access to your organization, you can manage that access under the Applications pane in your organization settings. Once you have enrolled your organization in Minder, the next step is to register which repositories to manage. You can choose to have Minder manage specific repositories by name or all repositories in the organization with the All flag. The All flag will also automatically register new repositories in the organization. Now we will load a set of policies to address the top 5 software supply chain risks. The policy is defined as a set of YAML files in the Rules and Profiles repository. We want Minder to fix any cases where the policy isn't followed, so we'll turn remediation on before applying the policy. In addition to the profile, the directory contains a number of rule types which define specific supply chain checks and their remediation. Apply will send all these to the server to be continuously evaluated. We can see the results of the apply if we look in one of the managed repositories. In this case, Minder has suggested SCA and SAST checks.